Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZW3D, how to draw rectangle. I will go to sketch, you can click here, sketch icon, and then choose a top plane, click OK. Now to draw rectangle, you can click this icon, rectangle, and there are 5 options to draw rectangle. First, you can draw from center points into corner point. Like I will click here for the center, and then you can go for the corner. You also can set for width and height by clicking at this option. I will set width into 100, press tab button, and height I will set into 50. Now you can press middle mouse and then press again to apply. So the second, we draw rectangle by corner point into corner. You can click, like I will click from this point into here. The third, we can create again by using angles. This is from center to corner with angle. You can click the option, center point, I will click in here. And then you can set width and height, like I will set into 100. And for height 50. For angle, click at this option. I will set into 45 degree. Can press middle mouse and middle mouse again to apply. So and the fourth, we create rectangle by corner to corner with angle. Click the option, this corner, and then I will click start from this point. Okay, set again for the angles into 45. The next width and height for the rectangle. Press middle mouse to apply into the object. And the last, you can draw rectangle by using parallelogram. You can click and then set the first point, the second point, and then the third point. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic ZW3D, how to draw rectangle. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.